To ensure correct use, always read and understand the instructions for use of the Dräger PAS filter and the utilized components prior to use. The limitations of use and all warnings must be strictly observed. For further questions, please contact your safety officer or your authorized Dräger organization. The Dräger PAS filter removes liquids and solid particles from a normal compressed air supply and provides high breathing quality air. Note: the Dräger PAS filter does not remove toxic gases and fumes. In the following, we will show you how to handle the Dräger PAS filter correctly, how to adjust the regulator, and what you need to consider after use. The device consists of the following components: a cabinet, a duplex element coalescing filter, a duplex element activated carbon filter, a regulator for pressure, an optional pre-filter, and a pressure gauge. The filters drain automatically into a condensate bottle. The inlet coupling is on the left side of the cabinet. On portable devices, the outlet couplings are on the right side. On wall-mounted devices, the outlet couplings are at the bottom. Devices are available with 3 outlet couplings or 5 outlet couplings. Empty the condensate bottle and dispose contents in accordance with local regulations. Connect the compressed air supply to the inlet coupling according to the manual. The air supply must be within the green range of the pressure gauge. To find out the pressure required for your application, please review the manual or the label located inside the front cover. To adjust the regulator, proceed as follows. Open the system. Release the wing nut on the control bolt. Grab the tool provided and rotate the control bolt to adjust the outlet pressure. Secure the wing nut on the control bolt. Close the system. Plug in the breathing air hose at the outlet coupling. The maximum hose length for use with Dräger breathing equipment is 100 meters per outlet. After use, disconnect all inlets and outlets. For maintenance and filter replacement, look into the manual.